as we are breaking updates coming in after this sensational revelation by DOGE, the ex-union minister has called for a probe into the same, saying investigate the money trail in India. Rajiv Chandrasekhar's big charge coming in, saying DOGE has discovered that USAID allocated $21 million for the voter turnout in India. And that's a euphemism for paying voters to cast their votes. So Rajiv Chandrasekhar saying, let's look into the charge, let's look into who got the money and who actually benefited from that. Let's take you through what he has said. He says, the smoking gun of interference and undermining of democracy is shocking. That on one hand, there is discussion on democratic values. So he's taken on the opposition there, saying on one hand, there is a discussion on democratic values, and the other hand, there is brazen undermining of the democratic nations. $486 million for consortium of elections and political strengthening. What does that even mean? That's what he has gone on to say. So he's raising questions, and that's not just him. Mahesh Jethmalani also taking to social media and saying this is a big revelation from DOGE, saying DOGE has discovered that USAID allocated $21 million for voter turnout in India, which is a euphemism for paying voters to cast their votes to effect a regime change. That's the big charge from Mahesh Jethmalani. He says Veena Reddy was sent to India in 2021 as head of USAID's Indian mission post Lok Sabha elections. Presumably voter turnout mission done. She returned to the US. Pity, because investigating agencies here could have asked her some questions about who this money was given to. So the BJP says it should not just be left with DOGE making this announcement and announcing the cancellation of these funds. So Elon Musk-led DOGE made this announcement yesterday, and now the BJP is saying it should not just be left with US making this announcement, it should take the next step and legal recourse being looked at. So Mohit, clearly with the BJP leaders coming out, there is a demand coming in to see where this money has actually gone. The BJP leaders saying investigate the money trail in India. Where did this money go? What was the impact that was intended?